There's a reason why we call the outdoors the wild. Because it is. Nature is not tamed. A river does not ask where to flow. To cope in nature's unpredictable conditions, you need the best gear with you. This is Combar, the only heavy-duty multi-tool that combines the core tools needed for the outdoors: an axe, a hammer, and a spade, along with dedicated room in the handle for a magazine or Combar's knife and saw. All tools fold into a rapid activation system that weighs only 3.2 pounds. As former officers in the IDF Special Forces and devout outdoorsmen, we know that the only way to execute a successful operation is by sweating the details, cutting absolutely no corners, and planning for every possible outcome. We applied the exact same logic when creating Combar. Our first goal was to make a tool with a lifetime warranty. The starting point was to ensure that each tool was developed according to US military spec standards. But since no such combined tool exists, there are no standards for it. So we created a new standard. We put Combar under heavy loads and smashed rocks with it. We left it in water for a week and poured sand into every opening. After every torture test, we double-checked that each tool was still fully functional and locked securely in place, making sure our safety mechanisms are up to the challenge. The only way to create a life-lasting tool is to use life-lasting materials. Combar's main body is made of aircraft-grade aluminum. The hammer is stainless steel. The spade is made of a single piece of titanium, and the axe combines both titanium and stainless steel to enable sharpening. The different parts are meticulously fused together to a single sturdy unit can outperform any task. To provide a great grip while using these tools, the ergonomically designed and well-balanced handle completes Combar into a tool that feels perfect in your hand. Inside the handle, there's room for Combar's knife, made of stainless steel and crafted as a top survival knife. Next to it is a place for the saw, made of aircraft aluminum and polymer with a blade replacement mechanism for full flexibility. To carry Combar, we created a holster and a case, designed for durability and rapid activation, because nature doesn't wait for you to find your gear. We've been developing Combar for 3.5 years to make sure it comes out perfect. Light, sturdy, iconic. Wherever you go with it, and whatever you do with it, Combar is the perfect heavy-duty outdoor multi-tool. Whether you're an off-roader, an avid outdoorsman, casual camper, or a hardcore survivalist, Combar will become an inherent part of your travels. Get one, and be ready for whatever comes your way. Combar.
Tools that are available on the market today are bulky, heavy, expensive, break easily, and aren't customizable. Today, that's about to change. Meet Distinct by Chisel Design, the world's thinnest all-in-one tool, made with the highest grade steel and packed with over 30 features. It's rust-proof, versatile, configurable, durable, lightweight, and easy to use. Distinct comes with a 5-spoke wrench, including the SW5 for use on DT Swiss Tricon wheels, a screw bit holder with an integrated ND50 magnet, 3 size wire benders, a wire stripper, an extra standard hex socket, ideal for use in tight spaces. And that's not all. Distinct also has 6 hex bits, screwdriver and flathead drive, T10 and T25, a file tool, string cutter, box cutter, wing nut tool, bottle opener, 6 metric wrench set, paint can opener, an environmentally friendly silicone material strap and blade guard, and an access keyhole. With its flexibility and a patent-pending intelligently designed interchangeable screw bit housing, Distinct is the right multi-tool for you.